So quick little update, right?
Soundboard.
So
Start over.
So you be quiet. So quick update. This boy right here, he up and went and moved to Florida. So, you know, me being the girlfriend that I am or whatever, I'm used to being with him every day. So, you know, I took my first little trip down here or whatever. I flew by myself for the first time. Was I nervous? Yes. Was I scared a little bit? Kind of, sort of, not really. But I did it. I made it here. I didn't get lost at the airport neither, which is great.
Sure.
Yeah, it's great. I didn't get lost. I almost did. But it's okay because the nice lady behind me told me that I have to check my bag first. So, yeah. But yeah, so I'm here in Florida. I came on Sunday. Yeah, I came Sunday. And I leave on Sunday, on July 5th. It's July 4th weekend. But, like, if you're in New York or, like, on social media, you see that everybody's, like, posting that you have to quarantine and Florida's shut down, blase. But I went to the beach yesterday. The beach is open. And some bars, like, you can't get alcohol, which is upsetting. But I bought some bottles, so, you know, it's okay. Or whatever. But, you know, I still want to have a drink. I'm going to find some spot that still got alcohol being served. Because, you know, I'm on vacation, so, you know, got to get drunk. Okay. Well, yeah. So, yeah, today I'm going jet skiing. And I'm really excited to go jet skiing. And I should have freaking packed my GoPro. Every time I go on vacation, I forget that. I went ziplining. I could have recorded that on my GoPro. Didn't freaking bring it. And yet again, I'm doing something cool. And I didn't bring the GoPro. And I can't record it. But I think I'm going to bring my phone. I'm a little clumsy. I don't know if I'm going to bring my phone. But, yeah. So I'm going to jet ski. Look out for the cool videos. If I'm not too clumsy with my phone. I'll take a picture, though. I'll take a picture on jet ski. For sure. But, yeah. We're going to go do that. I need to get fed first. I'm going to eat. Should I eat after? No, I'm going to eat. I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry.
Okay. What do you do when you're hungry?
When you're hungry, you tell your boyfriend you're hungry. And you give him that problem to solve.
All right.
Yeah, so he's going to feed me. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm jet skiing. Okay, so now we are going to Randy's dad's house. We're going to meet Randy's dad. I'll meet his pappy. Oh, wait, no, we're going to Denny's. And then we're going to... Well, then I'm going to meet Randy's dad. Yeah. Okay, so hey guys, we are at the jet ski place. And it is called Cove K Marina. But I think the place is called, like, something We Sports.
This is my girl,
Yeah, so... Oh, we're coming inside? Oh. I gotta take a test. Okay, so we just had our little jet ski course or whatever of what we have to do when we're out on a jet ski and blah, 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 and all this other stuff. You could die in a jet ski and yeah. So the place is called We Are Sports, and it's located on Cove K Marina. So yeah, that is what we are doing right now. So they're talking about, like, how people be Instagramming and stuff, and I want to go on Instagram and stuff, but at the same time I'm scared. That's scary. Where you going? Oh. Yeah, so we got the little life course on what to do on the jet skis and blase blase. So
He didn't make you take the test.
I didn't have to take the test. So, I think he has faith that I could drive the car. Drive the jet ski. So I think I'm going to be okay. Guys, my bathing suit is blue. It's blue. Sky blue. It's hot. It's husky. I'm gonna get on a jet ski. Okay, so I don't really know if I'm gonna vlog on the jet ski because I'm a little nervous because he said that that's how people be crashing into each other. But I think I am gonna kind of, sort of, kind of, not really, kind of, maybe, sort of. But yeah, I'm excited. I get to go on a jet ski. Okay, so I'm out here on the jet ski. I'm out on the jet ski. Look at Puddin'. He's all the way out there. Can y'all see us? I don't know if y'all can see us, but it's nice out here. Jet ski. Randy's like all the way over there. I would go. I'm just more scared than he is. I'm not scared. Well, I am scared, but at the same time, I'm clumsy, so I'm scared. But yeah, I'll go a little bit for y'all. I'll go a little fast. But I'm gonna hold on with two hands. Yeah. Alright. So guys, I went jet skiing. Is that thing moving? Is that moving? Did it like while I was actually like on it, riding it and stuff. But I'm right-handed and the jet ski pump shit, like the thing for the gas or whatever, it's on the right steering wheel, like the right grip for the bike or the jet ski. So yeah, I couldn't. But yeah, I'm out here, baby. So guys, me and Puddin' jet skied. It was fun. I had fun. I think the fastest I went was 45. And Randy, I never did 60. Okay, well he says I did 55 or 60. But I know I was watching that thing. I was like, hell no, baby. I said, oh, this is 35. Oh, this is good enough for me. I had 41 times. Is there a bathroom? But yeah, I had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Cool time.
He said I do. He stayed for an hour. And it was $80 each, not just for one person. Yeah. It was fun. I had fun. I got another tan. You got a tan, a lot. Yeah, you got. Yeah, so now we're gonna change and then we're gonna go see his dad, because his dad grilled stuff, because I told him that when I come down here I want some of his cooking. So yeah, peace.